In the last lesson we talked about templates and song templates. Click File and New brings up the template management, allowing you to set up a template for your next song. In the same area is Create Project Folder, one of the most important attributes added to Logic Pro 7. The project folder is a means at which to consolidate all files that are needed and used in the Logic sequence to one specific folder on the hard drive. Here you can name your project, set the location of what hard drive it's recording to. In this case, you can specify a secondary hard drive. Those using laptops should use an external hard drive to record to, having a much faster drive, 7200 RPM, over the 4200 RPM drive, typical in most laptops. Also, it allows you to copy all external audio files to the project folder, converting audio sample rates when importing, also copying the ESX24 instruments and samples to the project folder, and any impulse responses that are used in the sequence as well. These last three options I suggest only using in your project folder when archiving for future reference. Once you set all of the parameters for your project folder, click OK, close the initial song, and the project song will begin with a project folder. This again will have a folder for the audio files, freeze files, sample instrument files, and the sequence file. If you've created a track or a sequence without creating a project folder and wish to go back and consolidate the needed files, click File, Project, and Consolidate. This will bring up a similar interface, allowing you to copy or consolidate specific files. Here, the project files will be consolidated in this directory path. All audio files, copy them, move them, or leave them. In this case, move them would be good. Audio files not used in the arrange, like used. Sample instruments and samples. I suggest only copying these when it is time to archive the song for future reference. This will ensure any ultrabeat samples, ESX24 samples, or impulse responses can be brought up years from now in this particular project. Also, any movie files that are being used will also copy into the project folder. You get an option to delete the empty folders after moving and create folders for audio file groups. You can also specify to copy all or move all. You click OK, and it takes just a few moments to consolidate all those files. Finally, you can save as project, giving you pretty much the same options: audio files, song files, sample instruments, ultrabeat, impulse responses, movie files, any audio files in the arrange, freeze files, also a delete, create folder, and copy or move all. So there's multiple ways to be able to archive or protect your projects by consolidating all the necessary files.